How to use live caption to automatically caption the speech on Samsung Galaxy A15. Open the app drawer on your device. Tap the settings app. Now scroll down until accessibility. Tap on accessibility. Tap on a hearing enhancement. Here you can find the live caption option. Tap on it. Now make sure toggle on it. Live caption detect the speech on your device and automatically generate the caption on your screen. Tap on OK. Now here you can select the language for live caption. Tap on add language to add a language. Here we select Hindi. Tap on a down arrow. Tap on add a language. Now add a language to your caption on your device. Go back. Here you can change your caption preference style. Show caption, toggle on it. Now caption size and style. Here you can see caption default. Tap on text size. Here you can see changes how it looks on screen. When you play any video on your device, you can see automatically caption the speech. If we select large, also choose caption style, default, white on black, yellow on black, yellow on blue. So select the option, also choose custom option from font family, text color, text opacity, as type. So this is the all customization setting for a live caption. Here we select yellow on black. Now go back. Here also see more option for change language. Now go back. You can see show sound level option, live caption in a volume control. This feature is helpful to quickly enable or disable live caption. To long press the power, just press the volume up or down button on your Samsung device. Tap on the three dots. Here you can see the caption button. Tap on it to disable caption. Tap on it to enable live caption. Caption appear when speech is detected. So quite helpful feature. You can also see caption calls. Choose ask every time, always or off. So just open any video on your device and you can see the live caption. Let's see example. Here we open the YouTube. Now play any video, you can see the caption. Now here we select this video.
Market ups and downs bothering you?
Now you can see caption like this on your device. To move it, long press it to move anywhere on the screen. Now here you can see the caption speech.
जो पार्टी आजकल इनकी है गवर्नमेंट में उन्हीं के उसी वजह से इनको इंडियन टीम का हेड कोच बनाया गया बाकी कौन सा बड़ा कोई तीर मारा हुआ उन्होंने जो 8-10 साल से वो
here you can see live caption setting direct or change the language. If you don't want to use, just toggle off it, or you can also use a setting like a press the volume up or down button, tap three dots, tap on it to turn off caption. That's it. If you like it, share it.